Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to make the pepper garlic mushroom fry. If you like the recipe, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. In a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, add 3 medium onions chopped, saute for a minute or two, add 5 garlic chopped. To this add 1 tablespoon of freshly grounded pepper. To this I am adding 400 grams of mushroom cut into halves. Mix everything well and cook for another 2 minutes. Add capsicum and onions cut into cubes. Add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add roughly chopped coriander. Mix well. Our delicious creamy garlic pepper mushrooms are ready to serve.